Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're looking at the best wood knobs for cabinets and drawers. The Silverline 6-pack round wood drawer knob, measuring 1.5 inches in diameter. These unfinished wood knobs offer a perfect blend of simplicity, functionality, and customization potential for your furniture projects. Right out of the box, each knob features a classic mushroom shape, giving a natural and timeless look to any cabinet, dresser, or wardrobe. The unfinished wood surface allows you the freedom to paint, stain, or color these knobs to perfectly match your decor or style preferences, making them ideal for DIY enthusiasts and professional craftsmen alike. Crafted from high-quality wood, each knob weighs approximately 8 grams, making them lightweight yet sturdy enough for regular use on drawers and cupboards. Because wood is a natural material, each knob displays its own unique grain patterns and textures, giving your furniture a one-of-a-kind character. They are machine-turned and sanded smoothly, ensuring a comfortable grip and a refined finish without any rough edges. The product dimensions are about 38 mm in diameter and 22 mm in height, which translates to roughly 1.5 inches wide and just under an inch tall. This size strikes a great balance between being noticeable enough for easy handling while maintaining a subtle and elegant profile on your furniture. Included in the package are 6 knobs along with 6 1-inch screws, providing everything you need for straightforward installation. These knobs fit most standard drawers, wardrobes, and cabinet doors, making them versatile for a variety of applications in kitchens, bedrooms, living rooms, or even office furniture. Since the knobs come unfinished, they offer endless creative possibilities. You can personalize them with different colors, varnishes, or even decorative touches like decoupage or engraving, transforming your furniture into a truly custom piece. This product comes from a small business brand, so by choosing these knobs, you're also supporting smaller manufacturers who focus on quality and craftsmanship. In summary, the Silverline round wood drawer knobs are an excellent choice if you want natural, customizable, and high-quality wooden knobs for your cabinets and drawers. Whether you're upgrading your furniture or starting a new project, these knobs combine functionality, aesthetic appeal, and versatility. If you want easy-to-install knobs that you can tailor to your style, this pack of 6 is a great way to achieve that. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more honest product insights. See you next time.